The SSI Client Success Team is dedicated to providing end users and project management with personalized and rapid resolutions that will allow your team to keep working without lengthy interruptions and by providing solutions as quickly as possible to keep your team running efficiently. A critical component to providing efficient and effective resolutions for our end users is in the collection of required technical information from the affected systems, including software versions, database information, and system parameters. This can often be time-consuming and error-prone and can slow down the resolution process. To assist both you as the client as well as the SSI team working behind the scenes, we have developed the SSI Desktop App, a standalone utility designed to streamline the creation of support requests from anyone in your organization. Both ShipConstructor end users and project managers have the ability to quickly complete and save support requests with all of the information required, add attachments, and make manual changes without having to search for the required technical details. This not only reduces errors, but drastically improves our support resolution process and response times. In addition, the desktop app may also be used to quickly access various SSI online resources, including manuals, the knowledge base, community postings, the support dashboard, the Wishlist and Nexus learning portals. The SSI Desktop app is available for download in the Utilities section of the Downloads page of SSI Nexus and will enable you to streamline the support request procedure to get you back up and running faster than ever. Help us help you with the new SSI Desktop app, now available on SSI Nexus.